you know, um, we have some products that are really just a different way of doing things, but we also have some products that come through that just kind of take it out of the park and take it to a whole different level. And when we were talking the other day, you mentioned one product in particular you thought was kind of earth shattering, and you dug it quite a bit. So tell us about your next product.
So it's a wonderful thing to mention because I have it here with me to kind of display and show to everyone. But, Kettenbach sent us this kit. And I always love kits. I'm a big fan of kits because you don't have to, grab your own parts and pieces from everywhere. And, inside of it, you have two primers, and it's a beautiful post and core buildup type of kit, and also a cementation kit. And it's, a universal cementation kit. So PFM, zirconia, any type of Emax, whatever you want to use. And it has this wonderful dual curing cement that comes along with it. And I love the consistency. I just used it today, in fact, with our new product, our new post and core that we're supposed to be evaluating. I don't know if I was supposed to give that a shout out, but I really, really enjoyed using the Cemcore with that today. And, I really have to compliment Kettenbach on giving us a restorative primer and a tooth primer. It really increases the level of confidence you have using a product, and, trying it on various different products and materials that you normally wouldn't. So,
So you mentioned, and I think that we need to pause here for just a second because I'm a huge proponent of multifunctional technology and multifunctional products. But you mentioned, and this is a hot topic in dentistry right now, but you mentioned that this is both a core buildup material and a cement, correct?
and that initially gave me a little bit of anxiety because that doesn't exist
Yeah.
in my practice. I was not sure, I was like, should I have confidence in this? Should I not? And I've tested, it as a core post and core product, and I've tested it as a cementation product, and it delivers. It's really fantastic. And, it's BPA free for those who, that's important too. And it has the ACT technology. And I also loved that it comes with two types of tips. So, you have the one for cementation, you have the one that goes into the canal and stuff. So, very nice on that front.
So you've used it on in both aspects as a core buildup, as a cementation, and I guess if you had a crown prep that had a large void, and let's say you're a CAD CAM doc, you could use it as both. I mean, you feel comfortable. I mean, I know a number of years ago it was really frowned upon for a dentist who had a huge void in a crown preparation that wanted to seat a crown the same day, or let's say the buildup came out. You're like, well, I'll just squirt some universal cement in there. And in this case, you can do that with confidence and know that you're taking care of two problems at the same time.
Well, I think the most fascinating one situation that I had when I used it on, when you have that near root tip situation where you have a little bit
Right.
of tooth structure and that patient comes in as an emergency, and the post is kind of out with the crown and you're in a bind. This was great because it really served that dual purpose of being, both a post and core buildup and also as a cementation. So that's always a troubling situation for a lot of doctors.
And prior to this, two things that I'll close with. First of all, Hemali, thank you. That was a great review, and it's and that's what we want to hear. We want to hear these knockout products, these products that are new, that are multifunctional, that we can't live without. But Kettenbach is a great company. Their price point for those of us that are in private practice and actually have to buy our own products, their price point's fantastic.
Oh, so
You couldn't
direct.
ask for better people that run the company. Um, and they do have a video. If you go to their website, which is there's a Visalys Cemcore video, and it's on Vimeo, and I'll post the link in just a
Yeah,
second here.
video.
Do what now?
We should post that video. I was going to suggest that.
I know I was trying to play it, but for some reason the software that we use won't allow us to play Vimeo videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post the link to the video, and then I'll post it in the comments as well. Um, but there's a great video on Visalys Cemcore, which is fantastic, and it's short and sweet and gets right to the point. But look up Kettenbach Dental. I mean, they have great products. So I know Jeff and I both use several of them in our office, and just think the world of Kettenbach. And man, when COVID crisis hit, they just came out and they said, we're gonna get some sanitizer out. We're gonna try and provide some PPE, or at least some links for you to get PPE. So great company, great people, and great products. So thank you so much, Hemali.
Thank you, guys. It was nice to
Hemali,
see you.
good night.
Good night.
All right, go do your homework for the next review. Thanks, Hemali. You helped us out. All right, thank you.
Chatty, we have